Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Mint replacement using Intuit safeguards, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin authenticating with the Mint replacement using Intuit safeguards, first, download the Mint replacement app from your preferred app store. Once the download is complete, open the app on your device. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. To start the authentication process, click on the Get Started or Sign In button. Next, enter your email address associated with your Intuit account. After entering your email, click on the Continue button. A verification email will be sent to your inbox. Open your email and look for the verification message from Intuit. Click the link in the email to verify your account. Return to the app once your email has been verified. You may now be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that meets the security requirements provided. After creating your password, click Submit to continue. You will then be directed to the main dashboard of the app. To add your financial accounts, look for the Add Account or Link Account option. Select your bank from the list of available financial institutions. If your bank is not listed, use the search bar to find it. Once you locate your bank, click on it to begin the linking process. You will be redirected to your bank's login page. Enter your bank credentials, including your username and password. After logging in, follow any additional authentication prompts from your bank. If prompted, complete any two-factor authentication steps. Once authenticated, return to the Mint replacement app. Your accounts should now be successfully linked. Take a moment to review the accounts displayed on the dashboard. You can now explore the features of the Mint replacement app. Familiarize yourself with budgeting, tracking expenses, and setting financial goals. Make sure to regularly check for updates to enhance your app experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.